Come back to Enjoy All Makeup channel. Today quick tutorial for DIY Halloween. So what I always get request when I go to do the makeup for the client is smoky sexy eyes for Halloween. So let's do it. How to make it very quick and very nice. Get started. After moisturizer and you prime your skin, and don't forget to prime your eyes. Put on gel liner on my lid like this, close to the lash line. It will look really funny right now. Don't worry guys, just make a brush to blend this one on the edge. Blend this one out. I'm gonna do the red smoky eye lid like this first. As well. Finish this up with lashes, and there you go.